Hello everybody, this is Nas Salihovich and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. In today's video, we're going to be doing something exciting. We're going to be booking airline tickets and a hotel room using the points that we have earned on the Chase Sapphire preferred card. If you have watched my other videos, we're doing a credit card churn. So we applied for this credit card that gives us $750 worth of travel. We got approved, of course. And the video before this one, we did a quick unboxing and a review of the card, showing you all the benefits that this card offers. First off, this video is part of a 3-video series on how to use credit cards to travel for free. I'll have the links to the other 2 videos in the description box below, so if you want to check them out, feel free. So I have spent the $4,000 required to get the 60,000 points. I only had this card about 3 days, but they do give you 3 full months to spend $4,000. This way you can get your 60,000 points. Spending $4,000 in 3 months is very doable, especially if you use credit cards to pay for groceries, gas, and your bills. You'll be able to achieve this in no time. So in today's video, we're going to be booking airline tickets and a hotel room. But we're just not going to go on Chase Rewards and just book a flight, book a hotel. We're going to shop around. This way we get the best deal for the points that we have earned. So I'll be comparing the Chase Rewards program with CheapOAir to see where we can get the best deal. So I'll be switching over to the laptop screen. This way I can log into my account, show you the points, show you the comparison between Chase Rewards and CheapOAir. We want to stretch out our points as much as possible. This way we get the best deal and the best use out of our points. Alright, now we're on the Chase Unlimited Rewards site and we're going to get ready to book our flight. If you look at the site, you will see in the top left corner we have 73,018 points, which is awesome. Now we scroll down and here's the 60,000 points that we got just for signing up to the card and meeting the requirements. This is pretty much our sign up bonus, which is absolutely awesome. Now if you scroll down, pretty much on the right side, it will show you how to get even more points. For example, on dining, you get double the points. So if you're at McDonald's and you order a double cheeseburger, you'll get double the points. If you're booking travel, like hotel rooms, airline tickets, anything travel related, you also get double the points. And then you get 1 point on every other purchase. But if you use your points through the Chase Unlimited Reward System for travel, you'll get an additional 25% value on your points, which is absolutely awesome. They also have 197 gift cards that you can choose from if you want to redeem it for gift cards or cash back. You can also transfer it to partners, or you can just use your points and shop on Amazon. Whatever floats your boat. Alright, let's scroll down. Here's the gift cards. They got like a ton of them to choose from. But we're here for the travel. And now our 73,018 points are worth $912.73 toward travel when you book through Ultimate Rewards. So this is our extra 25%. So let's see what kind of deal we can get. But before we do, we're going to be comparing it with CheapOAir. CheapOair is my favorite site when buying airline tickets, booking hotels, rental cars, all that good stuff. Like, they have the best deals. Every time I travel, 99.99% I go with CheapOair. They get the best deals. Like, simply awesome. Like, they simply have the best prices out there. So we're going to be comparing CheapOair versus Chase Unlimited Rewards. So let's get started. We're going to be booking a 1-week trip from Louisville to Florida. So let's get it. We're going to be going to Orlando, Florida on July 21st, coming back on July 28th. And now we're going to search and see what kind of deal we can get. Now the search is done, and the cheapest flight from Louisville to Miami, Florida is $402.61. This is a round trip. All right, now let's go over to CheapOAir. And we're going to type in the exact same information. And we're going to do a search as well. All right, now it's searching. Now it's searching. All right, CheapOAir is definitely way cheaper. For a round trip, it's $265.60. Chase Unlimited Rewards is $402. Now let's compare the prices to see which one is better. When you're first looking at the prices, you will see that Chase is $402 and then CheapOair is $265. You will automatically want to go with CheapOair because the price is way cheaper. But let's do some math and figure out which one is actually cheaper. Now we're going to take the calculator out. So we have 73,000 points. That's equal to $730 when redeemed for cash. So if you're not booking through Chase Ultimate Rewards, your 73,000 points will be $730 cash. So if we just redeem for cash and then we subtract $265, we will be left over with $465, which is not bad. We get a round trip to Miami, Florida, and we get $465 that we can spend on whatever. So let's say you want to book through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Our 73,000 points plus the 25% bonus will give us $912. So now let's do this. $912 subtract $402. Now this gives us $510 left if we're redeeming it with Chase Ultimate Rewards. But here comes the tricky part. This $510, its true value is 25% less. You only have the $510 value if you plan on buying another trip with Chase Ultimate Rewards. But if you want to redeem it for cash, you have to subtract 25%. So times 0.25, that's $127.50. So our $510 minus 127.5. Now our cash value is $382, which is less than what we would have if we went with CheapOair. So there you have it, guys. In this scenario, going with CheapOair will get you a way better deal. You would save $100 extra, which can come in handy when you're booking other airline tickets or booking a hotel or a car. So now with your extra $100 that you saved because you didn't book with Chase Ultimate Rewards, you booked with CheapOair, you can get a rental car that you can use in Florida. The point that I'm trying to make is to shop around. If you can get a better deal somewhere else and then you can save some money in the process, it is worth doing. For this example, CheapOair gave a way better price and saved us $100 that we could put towards a car rental or hotel or dining. So in this scenario, CheapOair was the way better deal. A lot of times CheapOair does give you better prices, especially on airline tickets. So I tend to use them. Also, if you create an account with CheapOair, I'll have a link below, and you book flights, hotel rooms, cars, cruises, vacations, you earn points. Same like on a credit card, but you earn points with CheapOair that you can redeem for anything that you want. So far, I have 3,759 points, the platinum member. And then if you scroll down, you can see what these points are worth. So for every 1,000 points that you have, you can redeem for extra $5 on flights. Or if you redeem it for hotels, every 200 points is equal to $1, which is absolutely awesome. And these points right now are worth $18.79. So let's say we get this ticket for $265, and then we can use the CheapOair points that we have earned minus 279. Now we're getting this airline ticket for $246, which is even a better deal. It just blows Chase Unlimited out of the water. Make sure to compare prices. If you like this method, you're more than welcome to use it. I'll have the links in the description box below for CheapOair and the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, so you can pretty much just replicate everything I did in the last couple weeks to get almost $1,000 worth of travel for free. Also, guys, if you use the link in the description box below to sign up to CheapOair, you'll get an additional 5,000 points, which is absolutely awesome, that you can use on your next vacation, your hotel room, car rental, airline tickets, whatever you like. I will also have the link to the Chase Sapphire Preferred card in the description box below, so you'll be able to sign up for both, replicate exactly what I did, and get almost $1,000 worth of travel, which is absolutely awesome. Now that you have seen how I book airline tickets and hotel rooms using the Chase Sapphire Preferred card and the points that we have earned with this card, you can do this yourself. You can travel for free, get free hotel rooms, free airline tickets, free dining, whatever. It is very simple. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So if you have any questions or tips, drop it in the comment box below. I look at all the comments and I try to be as helpful as I can. And as always, guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.